People ask me what I carry in my Volkswagen in case I have trouble. Well, I have what I call the crash kit. In this 50 caliber ammo box, I carry hose clamps, full set of end wrenches, carry sockets, 3/8 drive. In this box, I got a 1/4 inch drive set in the car. Even carry a universal. Sometimes you get in a tight spot. Tire pressure gauge. I carry a valve stem. I carry a valve core tool to replace the valve stem. Extra axle nut. Never know when you're going to strip an axle nut out on the road. Set of points. Rotor. Distributor cap. Pliers. Crescent wrench. Extra plugs. Good sharp knife. Another plug. And I have had these things throw bolts out of the rear axle, so I carry a rear axle drive for the bolts. Good set of needle nose. Channel locks. Extra fuel filter. An assortment of hoses. You never know when you're going to need this when you're out on the road in the middle of nowhere and something goes bad. A set of screwdrivers. Carry a plug kit. That's very important. I don't carry a spare tire. I got a can of Fix-A-Flat in the car. You always need feeler gauges. Carry an extra idle cutoff valve. More hose. Some vacuum plugs in case I have to disconnect the vacuum advance on the distributor. Extra 1157 bulb. Pliers and side cutters. Carry an extra fuel pump. I can replace it in about 5 minutes. Allen wrenches. Got to have Allen wrenches in the VW. Carry WD-40. WD-40 is handy for so many things, including cleaning your hands after you fix the car. Plug kit. I think I said that before. And always, always, always carry an extra fan belt. Because you lose the fan belt, you're not going anywhere. And I carry a helicoil kit. This is a must-have for any Volkswagen driver. That goes in the sack. I lock that down. And yes, on a long trip, I carry an extra clutch because you just never know. And to break my tire down, that jack right there works, and I can do it on the side of the road just as easily as I can do it at my own house. So, yes, I do put my money where my mouth is.